Hi everyone, today I'm here with a really special video on sciatica pain and how can you relieve it. But first of all, what is sciatica? Sciatica refers to pain, weakness, numbness or tingling in the leg. It is caused by injury or pressure on the sciatica nerve. It's likely to follow the path from the lower back to the buttock, the back of your thigh and calf. Sciatica is commonly seen in people who are overweight, individuals whose job requires twisting the back, carrying heavy loads, or driving for long periods. It may be inherited disc problems. People who sit a lot or don't move much are more likely to develop herniated disc than active people are. And also in conditions like diabetes. So, welcome to Active Living Community by Aditya Birla Health Insurance. My name is Priyanka Peter and I'm a physiotherapist with Abhi. I'm about to demonstrate a really easy exercise routine you can do for sciatica nerve pain relief. So without further ado, let's get started. The first exercise is knee to chest. Lie down on your back. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with the right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pelvic tilt exercises. Lie down on your back. Fold your knees and try to push your belly button down the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the next exercise, we're gonna put our ankle on the other knee and hold the other leg like this and draw it towards your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. That's all everyone. I hope you found this helpful. Do practice this routine and you'll see how it helps ease your sciatica pain. As always, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to stay healthy. Active Living Community को visit अभी करो.